Hello guys, David here, and here I have a very filthy running board. Now obviously this is the Expedition, and another obvious statement is this is for my detailing series. Now what I'm showing you how to use one of my products here. This is Armor All Original. Now I got new ones, so I'll make another video. On what I use, because I just spent what, $50 on more products. But anyway, there's that, and a towel. So, what I'm gonna do this with one hand. It's gonna suck. So I already tried to clean it, and look what happened. It's not good. So I'm gonna squirt a little bit on that towel. And simply just rub it on. Looks really nice. But of course you gotta let it dry. I really honestly do like that wet look, but nothing I can do about that. So hopefully it stays like this. Oh crap. I got caught up in the rust, which you guys can't see. But as you can see, you can tell where I haven't cleaned and where I did. See, really dirty stuff like the running board I just made practically look brand new. That's something you can tell. That's a Michigan vehicle. But now, let's just continue on with the rest of the board. Spray some of that crap on there. And just simply wipe. And then again, in seconds, you get that nice wet look. Like that. Up until that last part, which I didn't get to yet. But let's just clean the rest up like this. See, if you miss a little spot, it's gonna be noticeable. So you have to get every last spot, which is kind of annoying. But you will discover, if you look, that you did miss a spot. But all you gotta do is just simply go back over it with the towel. It's not a big deal at all. So I'm practically helping advertise Armor All and Mothers and Turtle Wax. They should pay me. That'd be cool. Well, anyway, till the next video, guys. Bye.